Dubai has always been at the forefront of innovation, from futuristic cities, ambitious projects, and their overall wealth. The sky probably isn't even the limit to what they can do. The project that we'll be discussing today certainly tries to make its case with this one, especially with the project being titled the world's tallest building. The Jeddah Tower, or Burj Jeddah, formerly known as the Kingdom Tower, is a skyscraper under construction in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. It is said to become the tallest building in the world, surpassing the current record holder, the Burj Khalifa in Dubai. With a height of over 2,716.5 feet and more than 160 stories, Burj Khalifa is already insanely tall for a man-made structure. The Jeddah Tower currently aims to be 3,281 feet, which is 591 feet taller than Burj Khalifa. The project will cost approximately $1.2 billion. The idea for the Jeddah Tower was first proposed by Saudi Arabian billionaire Prince Al-Walid bin Talal in 2008. The tower was envisioned as a centerpiece of the Kingdom City Development Project in Jeddah, a major urban center on the Red Sea coast of Saudi Arabia. The idea emerged as part of the Kingdom City Development Project, which aimed to transform Jeddah into a global business and tourism hub. Prince Al-Walid envisioned a landmark skyscraper that would not only break records in terms of height, but also serve as a symbol of Saudi Arabia's economic ambitions and modernization efforts. And just to add to the development project info, the Jeddah Economic City Project, also known as Jeddah Economic City, is a major urban development initiative located in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. It is designed to be a mixed-use development that encompasses residential, commercial, hospitality, and recreational components. The project aims to stimulate economic growth, attract investment, and promote sustainable development in the region. Really makes sense as to why the Jeddah Tower is the centerpiece of all this, considering how it perfectly fits the criteria. Following the initial proposal, an international architectural competition was launched to select the design for the Jeddah Tower. The competition attracted submissions from renowned architectural firms around the world, each vying to create the iconic structure. If you're going to create a project for Dubai, you better make sure to bring your A game to the table. The design for the Jeddah Tower was created by the architectural firm Adrian Smith, Gordon Hill Architecture, with Adrian Smith serving as the lead architect. The tower's design draws inspiration from Islamic architecture and features a sleek, futuristic aesthetic. Jeddah Tower is an example of contemporary skyscraper architecture. The tower will feature a mixed-use program, including office space, luxury apartments, a hotel, observation decks, and retail facilities. The lower levels of the tower will contain parking, amenities, and mechanical infrastructure, while the upper levels will house residential and hospitality spaces. Safe to say that it isn't all about aesthetics, because the Jeddah Tower can provide a lot of living amenities. The Jeddah will also be home to the world's highest observatory. It will also have a separate 98-foot diameter outdoor balcony, which was originally intended to be a helipad. The tower will have 59 elevators and 12 escalators, with 5 of these elevators being double-decker. The lifts won't reach the pace of normal elevators, as the constant air pressure change at those altitudes would cause nausea. 3 sky lobbies will prevent any one elevator from having to go all the way to the top, eliminating the need for excessively huge cables. It wouldn't be an innovative project without the use of technology, wouldn't it? The Jeddah Tower has high-tech features. A high-performance exterior wall system, including low-conductivity glass, will minimize energy consumption by reducing thermal loads. Each side features a series of shaded notches, where outdoor terraces offer extreme views of Jeddah and the Red Sea. It would definitely be a must-visit when the time comes where the tower will be finished. The Jeddah Tower's structural design incorporates advanced engineering techniques tools, and materials to withstand the challenges of building at such extreme heights. The tower's core will be reinforced with high-strength concrete and steel, while the exterior facade will feature a system of glass and aluminum panels. A huge core is required in very tall buildings to support the structure, as well as to house the large number of elevators needed. Problems such as vertical transportation limitations, building swaying, and super column settling are just some of the things that need to be considered when constructing the Jeddah Tower. To mitigate against wind forces and seismic activity, the tower will employ a tuned mass damper system and other structural reinforcements. The design also includes multiple setbacks and tapering forms to reduce wind resistance and enhance stability. Construction of the Jeddah Tower commenced in earnest in 2013, with a focus on laying the foundation and erecting the tower's structural framework. The project required innovative engineering solutions and state-of-the-art construction techniques to overcome challenges such as wind resistance and seismic activity. The piling was completed in December 2013, and above-ground construction commenced in September 2014. The construction of the Jeddah Tower has faced numerous challenges, including technical, logistical, and financial hurdles. The project has experienced delays and setbacks due to factors such as changes in design, funding issues, and labor disputes. One of their main setbacks was in late 2017, when the owner of Kingdom Holding Co. and the chairman of the Saudi Bin Laden Group were both arrested as part of the 2017 Saudi Arabian Purge. The Saudi Arabian Purge was conducted on November 4, 2017. Basically, it was the mass arrest of a number of prominent Saudi Arabian figures due to corruption. These included business people, princes, and government ministers. It all happened a few weeks after the creation of an anti-corruption committee led by Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman, while a handful of senior managers at Kingdom Holding were redirected to other projects. The construction of the tower continued despite the difficulties. The central tower core was at 60 floors in October 2017. It had 60 floors with the walls measuring 814 feet. Monib Hamoud, the CEO of Jeddah Economic City, said that construction is continuing and that they hope to open the tower by 2020. Kingdom Holding Company signed a deal with Orange Business Services last March 18 in order to provide information and communication technology infrastructure to Jeddah Tower, a vital component of the tower. Afterwards, the construction of the tower moved forward to March 12 after the delay. Despite these challenges, construction on the Jeddah Tower has progressed steadily since the ground was broken in 2013. As of the latest updates, the tower has reached a height of over 300 meters or 984 feet, with the concrete core and structural framework well underway. After years of silence, a glimmer of hope emerged in September of 2023 when it was announced that construction on the Jeddah Tower would resume. With the initiation of a new contractor search process, several companies from around the world are vying to take on the monumental task of completing this iconic skyscraper. With the Middle East Economic Digest reporting that Jeddah Economic City had restarted the project and a request for proposals had been issued for a contract to complete the construction of the tower, 14 construction contractors from the region, Europe, and China had been given 3 months to prepare their bids. Despite facing delays and setbacks along the way, progress on the Jeddah Tower has been steady, with significant milestones achieved in terms of height and structural completion. As of the latest updates, the tower has surpassed the 300-meter mark and continues to rise towards its ultimate height goal. Despite the labor issues and the COVID-19 pandemic, they are able to slowly ease into the new normal, thus continuing operations. While the exact reasons behind the project's revival remain undisclosed, factors such as easing COVID-19 restrictions and Saudi Arabia's commitment to Vision 2030 likely played a role in this decision. Beyond its architectural significance, the completion of the Jeddah Tower holds implications for the global landscape. Neighboring Dubai, home to the Burj Khalifa, faces the prospect of losing its title as the world's tallest building. Meanwhile, the Jeddah economic city, of which the tower is a centerpiece, aims to transform Jeddah into a thriving economic, religious, and cultural hub. As construction resumes and the dream of reaching new heights becomes a reality, the world watches eagerly to see the impact of the Jeddah Tower on the future of skyscrapers and urban development. It seems like every single day is just another opportunity for Dubai to one-up themselves. May it be technology, politics, and wealth. They just seem to have it all. As one of the leaders of innovation in the world, Dubai must always try to do its best and maintain its principles to maintain its status. How about you? Do you think that this project can be successful or not? Let us know in the comments below. See you in the next video. This is MadeinLuxe signing off.